Welcome to this tutorial on effortlessly accessing your job description through UHR's job and position management software, JDXpert. To access your job description, go to auburn.edu and click on AU Access. To locate the JDXpert link, locate the AU Access card that says Employee Services. If you haven't bookmarked this card yet, you may need to scroll down and click the blue Discover More button. Once you locate the Employee Services card, scroll through and click the JDXpert logo. This will take you to the JDXpert login page. There is no need to add any credentials here. Simply click the blue Log On button. This will take you to Auburn's single sign-on page. Welcome to your home page. If you are a supervisor, you may see more icons to the right side of your page. On the left side of the page, you should see your name, and to the right, under Quick Links, you will have two icons: AU Job Descriptions and My Position Description. First, let's get a little personal and spend some time with the My Position Description icon found on the home page. By clicking this icon, your position description will appear. Ensure the Profile drop-down menu on the left says Position Description. Did you know there is a difference between job descriptions and position descriptions? Job descriptions typically provide an overall and general summary of a job, outlining responsibilities, qualifications, and general expectations. On the other hand, position descriptions delve into more detailed information that can include your name, salary, and even individualized tasks specific to the work you do every day. To learn more about the difference between the two, check out our video, Position Descriptions and Job Descriptions, Understanding the Difference, in Elevated. You should now be able to see the position description including your name, your specific banner information, and your current job information including current salary. Don't worry. Only you and your supervisor will be able to see this information. As we scroll down and review this description, you may see that the responsibilities will be more position-specific to your role within your department or division. If you notice that your responsibilities are still generic, like the more general job description, don't worry. Not everyone at Auburn will have an individualized position description at the beginning, but it will eventually be updated with your help and expertise. On the left side menu, you can see this position description in a PDF or HTML format, which is often more accessible for all users. Below that, you have the option to download or even share the position description. Next, let's check out the Auburn Job Descriptions icon on the home page. On this page, you will see a list of all the job descriptions at Auburn. There are two ways to search for job descriptions on this page. First, you can use the search function at the top of this page by typing in the title of the job or the actual job code. Be aware, however, that the search bar is sensitive and requires correct spelling. A second way to search is by job family. We do this by using the All Job Families drop-down menu. For example, if we choose Outreach Programs, a list of all job descriptions that belong to the job family will be listed. You'll also notice that you can search deeper using job functions in the Subfamilies drop-down menu. Once you locate the job description you would like to see, clicking that job description with one click will provide you with a brief view of the job description to the right side of the page. To see the full job description, double-click it. You should now see the full job description. Let's do a quick review of what you'll see here. Job information, title, pay grade and range, job family and functions, job summary, responsibilities, minimum qualifications, which includes required education level, years of experience required, certifications, and more. You will also be able to see physical demands and working conditions for ADA consideration. To download a copy of the job description, locate the MS Word and PDF icons located in the upper right of the job description. You have the option of choosing the version that works best for you. When you have completed the review of the job description, you have two options. To return to the previous page with the list of job descriptions from your search, click the Job Catalog button found in the upper left side of the page. To return to the home page, click the Home Page tab at the top left of the page. For questions or more information, reach out to your department or unit's human resource liaison.